Hey guys, welcome back to Kenzies Adventures. We're making a lava lamp. So all we need is oil, any kind of oil, food coloring, any color, fizzy tablets, and some water, any glass. So let's get started.
All right.
So do we put in the oil first? How much?
I'll say when.
Okay guys, we poured our oil in. Now for our next step, we're gonna pour water in. So let's get to it. You know, water and oil don't mix? Well, now you do. And subscribe below.
What are you doing, Mackenzie?
Adding some food coloring in.
Oh, cool. Little drops. How many did you put in?
Maybe 11 or 20.
You can put in maybe around 12. Not too hard, just let them drop and make a bubble. Okay.
I think that's it.
Yeah. So what is our next step?
Our next step is our fourth step. So we're gonna add fizzy tablets.
Okay.
It's not really fizzy tablets.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Let's show our friends. Alright, should we do a countdown?
Yes.
Let's
After
do
I
it.
get this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Look at that! It's like floating and look at that!
It's lava!
It's lava! It's blue lava!
I think this
Do you hear this, guys? It's fizzy. It smells good.
you can't drink it, right?
No, this is not an experiment to eat, guys. Hey guys, we're gonna do the experiment again, but with different colors. One for 4 steps. Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna add the oil.
Mm-hmm.
Now, our water.
Number 2.
Did you know water and oil don't mix? Well, now you do. Now, our food coloring.
Mommy's gonna help. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready? And on 3. 3.
2, 1. It's working. It's working. It's a lava lamp. Oh my god. It's like fizzing.
Very
Do you hear that, guys? The lasso is not coming down. I hope you had fun with me. Subscribe below for more Kenzies Adventures. And don't forget to give a thumbs up. Peace out. Bye.